Hello everyone, I'm Clint Stamper. I'm the curriculum team leader here in the construction building and my trade is electrical installation. So welcome to Lakes College and welcome to the electrical installation workshop. Today we are going to give you a quick tour of the workshop and what it means to be an electrician. In electrical installation we run a number of full-time programs starting from level 1 electrical, level 2 electrical, level 3 electrical. Coming from a school leaver, you can either start at level 1 or level 2. You do need to get grades at school of C's or above in English, maths and science to be considered for a level 2 start. For those people that want to become an apprentice and a fully qualified electrician, the only way to become a fully qualified electrician is to work in the real world as an apprentice on site. Now the only way to become an apprentice is to have a job as an apprentice, paid employment. Now that's not the end of the world and that's not going to prevent you becoming a fully qualified electrician. You can come to Lakes College on a study programme without a job and that will give you a step into industry in terms of making you ready and prepared. So when you go to a successful job interview, you can then progress into an apprenticeship and continue on that route to become a fully qualified electrician. We have two very well equipped, very well stocked electrical workshops in the construction building at Lakes College. We're going to take you on a short tour showing you some of the highlights of what's involved and the equipment that we have in these electrical workshops. Let's go. So if you're somebody thinking about coming into the electrical trade, the attributes that you need to be thinking about yourself is, do you like problem solving? Okay, are you hands-on? If you're a hands-on person and you like using your hands and you like problem solving, electrical installation may be a good consideration and a good option for you. So there's a number of units in Lakes College that we need to teach. Some of them units are theoretical. Some of them are hands-on practical. The theoretical units are health and safety, electrical science, electrical technology. There's also a hands-on practical unit that we do in the workshops. I'm sitting here with one of our science test rigs, okay, and we've got lots of these rigs in the college and we use these to teach electrical science principles. So if you are a hands-on person, okay, it's not all about just sitting in front of the tutor and listening to what they have to say. It's about getting involved yourself. So we've got a breadboard here, okay, and I've set a basic circuit up. I'm just going to complete the circuit and you can see the light comes on. Fantastic. And what we have here is two switches to switch the lamp on, or off I should say, then back on, back off. And what I've just done there is exactly how your stair lights work at home. Okay, so it's about seeing it and having a hands-on go. That's how we incorporate a lot of our learning in the electrical department at Lakes College. So behind me, we've got our test rigs to facilitate inspection and testing training. Inspection and testing is what you need to do when you've completed an electrical installation to ensure that electrical installation is safe. So as well as being involved in electrical installation activities, which involve the construction of lighting circuits, power circuits, motor circuits, you also need to verify that they are safe. And as we move through the levels to level 3, you'll be doing inspection and testing and completing out the necessary certificates and paperwork to prove that them installations are safe. So what we have here are our test instruments, okay, to do the inspection and testing with. The test instruments that we stock are the Mega MFT 1711. Full range of test instruments so you can complete the testing, which range from continuity, insulation resistance, polarity, earth fault loop impedance, prospective fault current, RCD testing, prospective fault current, RCD testing. And this is all the great fantastic stuff that you'll learn about if you choose to come on. We're now in the electrical test lab, okay, where we carry out our inspection and testing and fault diagnosis training. What we have here is an electrical installation, okay, condensed onto a plywood board if you like, okay, but this is basically your property, this is your house, your circuitry, complete simulation of how your house would be wired, okay. It's got absolutely everything on it, and we can, using this box here, we can actually put lots of electrical faults on. Now it's quite an advanced rig, but for an aspirational point of view, moving towards level 3, this is the type of installation that you would be required to inspect, test and fault find on. We're now in the other electrical installation workshop. What we're actually showing you is some stills of the test facility. We've got the main workshop with the classroom layout and the big screen. We've got a full range of tools ranging from setting and marking out, first fix, second fix, specialist electrical tools for terminating, etc. And we've got a few snaps of students' work. Okay, that concludes our micro tour. It was lovely to meet you, and please get in touch. And even if when we're back open and up and running, if you want to come and look at our facility and see all the other things we haven't had time to show you about, come and talk to us, please get in touch.